Hi everyone, I wanted to unbox my Bliss box with you. This is the August-September Bliss box that sold out within within 12 hours of its release. So, what's in this box are products that aren't released yet. I consider it like a tester box. So home office creates these products and they let anybody, consultants and people that enjoy lemongrass, test out what's in this box and then give feedback if you want. But so far with the consultants, a lot of people are really loving everything that's in it. So why don't we open up what's in it? I already know, but I wanted to show you. I haven't even opened it yet. So there it is, the Bliss box. And this comes out every 2 months. So September, so this one was for August, September, and another one will come out in October. And so far they've been around $36 to $39 depending on what's in the box. So why don't we just get into it and see what's in it. So what came in it is just a postcard of what our mission is, and then here is Autumn Orchard, and it talks about the different products in it. So I'm going to leave this out so that I have something to look at just to remind me. Okay, so here we are. Here's the beautiful Bliss box, and it's nicely packaged and put in plastic that's appropriate, so if it does spill during shipment, it'll still save it. So here we go. Let's see what's first. Let's do this one. It is the pumpkin prebiotic hand wash. So again, these are all natural products. So here's the pumpkin prebiotic hand wash. I was told it smells really nice, so I look forward to using that. And this scent will more than likely be a scent for our October special. So see, think of it also as a taste of a sneak peek of what's to come for our fall line, for our fall collection. So there's that. Oh, and then what was special about the pumpkin? It has ginger, nutmeg, and cinnamon. Let me take a look at the ingredients. So there it is, ginger, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Oh, it's a nutmeg, a kernel oil, and then a cinnamon leaf oil. Oh, so that's really nice. So the scent is from the oil, so that's really nice. So the next one is the chai latte hand cream. So this, I believe, is similar to the foot cream that came out in the May-June cream that I got. And so let me smell how this smells. Oh wow, this really smells like chai latte. And then again, so they both have the dates at the bottom when they were handmade. So the prebiotic wash was made on August 5th. And this one, the chai latte hand cream, was made on July 23rd. So super fresh. And then what was it with the hand cream? That was, so again, same thing, nutmeg. Oh, and this one has cardamom, cinnamon, and vanilla. Let me take a look at those and go, wow, it's in small print. So those are the ingredients. I see grape, cocoa, mango, wow, evening primrose. I think I'm going to have to list the ingredients for these things. I'm going to have to post that. And then here is the famous, well talked about apple silk hair mask. Oh, sorry. So the hand cream is for anytime your hands are dry, right? Or after you use the wash, then you want to moisturize with the hand cream. And it's really thick, so don't use too much. Really, a small amount goes a really long way. And I like the size of these because you could bring it with you or leave it at your home office desk or even in your car if you wanted to. But I recommend leaving it at home because the ingredients are so nice, and you can even leave it in the in the refrigerator if you wanted to. Okay, so here's the apple silk hair mask. So the hair mask is a new product from Lemongrass, and this you want to use. It's a deep conditioner for your hair, and there's a provitamin B5 in here, and then apple, pear, and honey. So yeah, it's a deep conditioner for your hair. So I would use this on the days that you don't wash your hair, because you want to leave it in. I haven't really looked at I haven't looked at the directions, but it says apply generously to clean damp hair. Okay, I guess they want you to clean your hair 1 to 2 times per week, and then you want to allow to sit for 15 to 20 minutes, and then you just rinse it, and that's it. Okay, so that, I mean, but that's their directions. For me, it makes sense if you want to clean your hair, but if I wash my hair like today, and I want to use the mask tomorrow, I think they just don't want it to be dirty after a week, right? So, I mean, use your discretion. I mean, these are all personal care products. You know what works for you, but for me, I would probably do it on the day I'm not washing my hair, because I like to, right, keep my hair cut. I'm not a dirty person, and my hair's oily, right? So, I like my hair to just work the way it normally does. But anyway, so those are the directions for this. So this is a deep conditioner for your hair. And let me just take a look at the ingredients. There's a Korean ginseng in here, aloe vera, there's nettle extract, and then a lot of the scent is from their slippery elm bark extract, and a lot of this is organic, and like the shea butter and the coconut oil. So if there's any oil, so yeah, I see a lot of the scents are from our essential oils. So those are where the scents come from in lemongrass, is the USDA organic, certified organic essential oils. So that's that. So I have a feeling this is going to come back in October. And then here is the comb. I think it's the Peachwood hair comb that came with it. So when you use the hair mask, this is so once you put it in, you want to use the comb to really make it, to even out the mask in your hair. So you'll get, and it's from the roots all the way to the end. So that's what you want. I haven't used it yet, obviously, but I foresee not putting too much, because first of all, I want to make it last, and then second, right, I don't think you have to slather it on, but you want to put enough that covers your whole head. So, and it's a nice peachwood, if you can see it, and then it's white tooth, slightly white, yeah, white tooth comb, and it's very nice. And what else did they say about the comb? Yeah, so just, yeah, from roots to ends. Okay, so that's it for the Bliss box. And I know some of you purchased this, so hopefully this video helped you. And if you're interested in the October one, just let me know. We typically don't know, at least so far, what's in it, right? When they release it, we're the first to know. So if you're interested in knowing what will be in the October one once it releases, just let me know and I will put you on my list. I already have a list of people wanting to know about the October one. Okay, I hope that helps. So again, this one was the pumpkin chai latte and the apple spice and the comb, and I think some of these will be in the fall lineup coming up. All right, thanks for listening. Bye.